What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Dominoes 7 is here. I never thought I was going to do a Facebook Live way over here, but I decided to do one right now. All right. Here's the family and friends, everybody. So we over here having a great time over here. You know, there's Elroy right here. I don't know if he want to be shown. Well, Facebook Live, man. All right. All right. And that is you on Facebook Live. Anything you want to say?
No, I don't want to say nothing.
Oh, yeah. My mate Dinah probably watching.
What's up, Dinah? How you doing?
Oh, yeah. Let me kick it away from the radio. I don't want it to catch on. All right. So. All right. Yeah, pardon me. You're not upset, huh? Oh, he's not upset. I hope not. If he upset, I'll let y'all know in the next video. Okay. Get away from the radio. Let me get away from the radio. Okay. Okay. I better get. Oh yeah, Tiffany, you're on the show. Oh, Valerie, you're on the show. Valerie, you're on the show. You're on Facebook Live.
Enforcement, please.
I got on both legs.
On the show, Tiffany? Hey, Tiffany, you want to be on the show?
Not right now, babe. I gotta get together.
Oh, all right. Well, get drunk. I wish she wouldn't have said that. Okay. So. All right. Well, I don't think Terry want her baby on the Facebook. So I better just stop this tape. But well, off I go. So I better get out of here. All right. Bye.